Yeah, for sure. Okay, maybe let's do one more. I mean, there's so many to talk about, but we also want to. I love it. We are now in a sphere of, I don't know, part of a
Dinosaur.
dinosaur.
We're
Amazing.
inside of a dinosaur.
I love it. This event is
So if
Disneyfied.
anyone, let's choose one more, but anybody else who wants to like send Aaron and I an email, explaining more about what they're doing, we love to hear. We love to hear about it. So don't be shy ever. And Aaron, do you want to just pick one that seems that we haven't talked about yet?
Yeah, that sounds great. Or anyone in the room, if you want to just kind of start. I don't want to pick on anyone in particular. So if you feel like just sharing, we'd love to kind of hear what you're thinking about. All right, you guys are all quiet. This is a quiet group. Andrew, we're glad you're here. You're keeping us alive.
When I'm in the search, it sometimes just disappears. I search something and then stuff comes up and then it disappears by itself.
Yeah, might be a little bit of a bug or something going on. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. And Peter, you're using Hololens 2s? Yeah, definitely. Is anyone else thinking about using Spatial for remote meetings with teams and collaborating that way?
Me?
Who said that? Yes, we're now in an entire movie. This is amazing. All right, so we have about 15.
Question.
Oh yeah, go ahead, Paisley.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, sorry, Darren. I'm going to change that. I've been on the other session with Bree, and then she opened up the mobile phone store, and that was completely amazing.
Mm-hmm.
That's when I've been in contact. I went onto the website, the enterprise, and filled in the information. But I appreciate that it will take you guys a while to get back to people because you're inundated.
Mm-hmm.
Is that possible to do, that if we were to send you something like our makerspace to get replicated? And we have a Matterport virtual walkthrough of our makerspace at the moment. Is that something that on this platform could be replicated for us to use?
Yeah, we don't have an integration with.
We have people that have uploaded Matterport scans, and they work swimmingly, but you do just have to make sure that you are complying with our size and texture limitations. All of that is on our user guide at support.spatial.io under Spatial 3D Model Preparation Guide. And if you have any questions, or if you don't have people that know how to do that, we work with a number of partner agencies that we can refer you to help out with estimation.
Oh, good. Okay.
There's someone in the floor.
And they might
I
have
put the
taken
dinosaur on their head.
Right.
Question.
Jim didn't like that at all.
Aaron?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Rick.
Yeah. In the settings, I noticed when you see the list of names, there's a button that you could push beside names that says join. Does that put you in a private conversation?
What
It doesn't, but we will be creating private conversation bubbles. What happens there is that's you actually joining like their location. So if you were to join someone else's location, you would be it's you telling our system that you're in the same room as them. So something I know you guys, a lot of you are on Quest, but Spatial was originally designed for AR. And people were often using it in the same room or in the same building. Oh wow, this is cool. We're all inside Mars. And so what that would do is if I'm sitting in the same room with someone who's also wearing an augmented reality headset, I don't need to hear them or see their avatar because I can hear them in the real world and physically see their body. So if you say join location, then you will no longer be able to hear them or see their avatar. It's actually commonly what people think is a bug because they'll put themselves in different conference rooms and try to have a meeting. Mm-hmm. But that's why you actually also look in settings, you'll see join new group. So if you're in that situation, just hit join new group and you're saying we want to be recognized as we're in separate locations.
Gotcha. But private conversations are something that's coming.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
All right.
Just trying to build Mars.
So let's look over this way. There's a dog floating in the air and a dinosaur. And we'd love to hear what you guys love about Spatial. If you could create a note, just kind of sharing with us about some of the features and things that you're enjoying so far. And then I'm going to use one of the other 3D models and I'll put it on the right for some of the things that you'd like to see us improve that could potentially help you with the ways you're thinking about using Spatial, or maybe even currently how you're using it, or just in general, like, hey, this would be awesome if you had X.
That dog. Sorry. You should come inside of Mars. It's awesome.
Amazing. And maybe we
someone got that dog from, but it's brilliant.
Yeah.
I'll try growing Mars and see if I can let everyone in, but I think I've confused my my clickers.
So Aaron, are we able already to upload our own scenarios?
Yes. So Paisley just asked about uploading models into the space. So you will. We can no longer see each other. You have to come inside Mars to talk.
Okay. Here I am.
All right. Yeah. There we go. So you can upload a 3D model and then scale it up, and that would be your new environment. In our next release, the environment that we see currently in the Quest, you'll have the option to toggle to a conference room, or you can just kind of create a blank space. So the primary focus would be your 3D model, and I think that
solution.
Yeah.
And what are you thinking about? Using
us creating? What kind of space are you thinking of creating?
I already have some spaces from my university, like the soccer stadium, the